At WSG, we have a big focus on removing risks for our clients. That methodology runs right throughout our business. From the moment we receive an inquiry to snagging a project on site, all our teams are focused on making sure that we are removing risks wherever possible for our clients. At the front end of the process, that is about us really getting into the detail of the specification of the joinery we're producing and getting into the detail of the drawings we've received to spot any issues which we believe could cause a risk, whether that's from a material specification perspective, whether it's a long lead time on a particular item, or durability or sustainability, right through to whether it's going to be easily installed on site or it's going to be a challenge to get in the building. So our estimating teams really put a big focus on making sure we properly understand what the client is actually wanting to achieve, and then providing a solution which is going to work, which is going to be as risk-free as possible. Every one of our projects has a dedicated design manager. That design manager is responsible for ensuring that the designs are produced and signed off in a timely manner and that the designs are fit for purpose. This is a really key part of our process and means that every client has a dedicated point of contact from a design perspective who works directly with the client or the architect to ensure that the designs are produced to the right quality and in a timely manner. As our designers are working through the design process, they are constantly looking out for challenges or anticipating issues which could cause problems further down the line, whether that's integration with other trades or material specification or challenges with a particular material which we've experienced on previous projects. So we will proactively come to the table and advise on any of those issues as we're working through the design process. Clients often give us feedback that this is a really valuable resource. We don't just take a client's drawing and just produce a production drawing and put it into a factory. We will actually take the time to make sure that we fully understand what the client is trying to achieve and ensure that the design we put forward is fit for purpose and the best version of what that design intent needs to be. One of the pieces of feedback we often receive from clients is that we are the hassle-free subcontractor on their projects, and we put a big focus on trying to achieve that with every job. Our project management teams always try to think one step ahead, so they are anticipating issues before they arise on site and mitigating those risks for our clients. We make sure that we over-communicate right throughout our process. We know that the more we communicate with clients throughout the process, the less issues there are on every project. That is one of the most overlooked things, I think, in project businesses, that we often can hide behind emails. With WSG, we're straightforward, straight-talking people. We'll pick up the phone to resolve issues and make sure that we're building strong relationships with our clients on every job.